Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
7 calendar days. If you are a UPS My Choice member, the UPS Store and other UPS Access Point locations can hold your package for up to 7 calendar days at no additional charge. Customer centers can hold your package for up to 5 business days.
Take our lead.
If you need someone else to collect your package on your behalf, they'll need to bring a valid government-issued photo ID. Additionally, SKey needs to present proof of connection to the address on the UPS label or to the named person's valid ID or photocopy.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Delivery. UPS will hold your shipment for 5 business days at the nearest UPS center. If the shipment is not picked up within 5 business days, it will be returned to the sender. UPS reserves the right to return the package to the shipper after 3 delivery attempts.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
UPS started adding these things called access points, where you could drop off and pick up packages if you're not home. Supposedly it deters theft, in that the package is delivered safely to a secure location.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
All lockers are completely self-service and most are accessible 24 hours a day. Track your shipment on ups.com or the free UPS mobile app on your smartphone to find the UPS Access Point locker holding your goods. Once there, use the touchscreen kiosk at the locker to find your shipment.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.